Welcome to the latest from IOVOX. We're proud to be the platinum sponsor of Property Portal Watch Europe 2025 in Madrid this October. Our CEO, Ryan Gallagher, will be delivering a keynote speech on AI and PropTech, and we cannot wait. We've got an exclusive 20% off discount for our community. Use code IOVOX when registering. We've just released a video sharing how IOVOX AI voice agents are turning missed calls into revenue gold mines. From restaurant bookings to property inquiries and sales leads, our AI voice agents capture opportunities 24/7. And finally, dive into our latest blog post that reveals how AI is handling restaurant bookings. If you are considering implementing similar technology, this technical deep dive is a must-read. Find all the links in this month's newsletter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month with more insights from IOVOX. Better data, better results.